good day and Namaskar everyone. I'm Prashant Adhikari, brown guy, and this is Brown Guy Lifestyle. Today is our first day and this is the first video I'm dropping in. And let me tell you a little bit about myself quickly. And let me also tell you today, for the first episode, I'm in La Paris. I'll be telling you a little bit about La Paris and how does it looks and how I see La Paris from my eyes, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks. So from today onwards, you guys will be tuning to Brown Guy Lifestyle to travel lots of places inside Sydney, outside Australia as well, and you guys will be experiencing lots of adventure as well in the coming days with me in this channel. Having said that, I wouldn't like to delay you and tell you a little bit of Adhikari, and I'm born up and raised up in a small town of Nepal called Chitwan. Then I studied up to year 10 in Chitwan. I went to India to study up to year 12. Then I came to Australia to study my Bachelor's of Information System. So that's how my life went in education perspective. But for adventure and travel, Nepal is itself a beautiful place and full of natural and scenic beauty. And don't worry, Visit Nepal 2020 is going in Nepal. So if you guys would like to check out how the Visit Nepal 2020 is going on, the link is in description of the Nepal government Visit 2020. It's been almost over 6 years for me in Australia. I have been traveling most of the major parts of Sydney already, and I have been traveling major parts of Victoria already, major parts of Queensland already. But after this long journey, after traveling lots of places, doing lots of adventure, what I think is, if I can showcase my travel journey, if I can document my travel journey, and if I can show it to you guys might get a little bit of value about it. You guys might get a value of it. So I think it could be a little bit beneficial for you guys as well. Alright guys, let's go to look around La Paris. There we go. Right now we are here in Jovan La Pizza. Shit guys, like I'm so tired today and I'm so hungry. Like I just want to grab everything here. Like look at the menu over here. It's way too long. Like you can get every kind of pizza here, and you can even choose other options. Like look at there. I'll link the menu. I'll put the link of the menu down in the description box. Don't forget to check it out, and let's see what we're gonna order. Everything looks really great, but let me see. What do you guys think? Tandoori chicken? Being a brown guy, tandoori? Does that sounds great? Alright, the first option, we'll go for a tandoori chicken. One of the tandoori chicken and prawns. Who doesn't love seafood? Who doesn't love seafood? Listen again. Who doesn't love seafood? Even brown guy loves seafood. Look at that, prawns with garlic and oregano. All right, we are grabbing 2 pizzas right now from Giovanni La Pizza, and one will be a tandoori chicken and the other will be prawns. So keep waiting and I'll show you how the pizza looks. Yeah, I can't wait to eat it. All right, guys, that's pizza. Here we go. It's a prawn pizza. Looks good amount of prawn, and there you go. That's a tandoori chicken. Looks delicious. Can't wait to have these guys. I'm too hungry. Alright guys, I just had my pizza and it was delicious. Like, whenever you guys come to La Paris, don't forget to visit. Did you see that? That's it, bro. Like, it's really delicious. Don't forget to have it. And the prawn pizza actually was really great. Tandoori pizza, I would say okay. Like, I would say alright, because the chicken wasn't tandoori, I could say, but the sauce was tandoori. It was chicken pizza with tandoori sauce and garlic prawn pizza. It was really delicious. So good. This place is a bit windy. It's this place is a bit windy. I would say a bit of. It's a good place to come for the day off. It's a really nice place to come around, and you guys gotta come here once. Like, this place is really a good deal. You got a free singing spot over here, you got a snorkeling spot over here, you got a scuba diving spot over here, you got lots of beaches nearby, and you got chance to go into the water, swim there like a fish, or anything you can think of a day off. And if you are looking for the best place to visit on your weekend, or let's say on your trip to Sydney, then La Paris must be definitely should be one of them, because you can't miss La Paris. It's very close to city. It's not that far. It's a couple of I think it should be approximately half an hour drive from the city, half an hour to 45 minutes, but this is a good day. And look at the look at these guys. These guys have been with me throughout the days. Like, this guy has been supporting me all the time. Actually, shout out to you guys. Thanks to you guys. You have been very good for me. Like, you guys have been helping me all over the day. So having said that, we are coming almost end of this episode of Brown Guy Lifestyle. Alright guys, for today's episode we are coming towards the end. I'm your Brown Guy and this is Brown Guy Lifestyle. We'll be uploading lots of travel videos, adventure videos from today onwards, and this is the first day of my video, and this is kind of short intro type of video. I'm just trying to explain who I am, and I'm just trying to show a little bit of La Paris, because I think giving introduction, being inside a room, being dull is like not kind of my thing. I like to go outside, look outside, feel that vibe and give it to you guys. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next week.